loves. We're at the Dog and Partridge here in Staffordshire, which is about a 8-mile drive from Alton Towers. We are going to check this out and see what's going on. It's about a 8-mile, 3-mile drive from Alton Towers. It's about a 15-minute drive either way. So we're going to check out a standard double room here today. I've got my key. I actually stayed here last night and I'm heading back into the park today. So I'm going to show you the room where me and Sean stayed, and obviously at the end as well you're going to see some different bits like our continental breakfast and a bit more of the area and kind of why we think this is one of the best options if you're staying at Alton Towers and trying to do it on that lesser budget. Okay, so the rooms here at the Dog and Partridge are actually divided up into separate units, which you'll see demonstrated a bit further when we finish the room tour. So when you come into the room, obviously it's just a double bed there. You've got your touch lamps either side. You've got a nice little seating area. You've got a mirror, hello. And you've got your little kitchen kind of like bits. So your kettles, your teas, your coffee. They've supplied us with a good amount of different bits for options for drinks. And you've also got USB plugs here as well, just to note that. You've also then got the flat screen on the wall. So it does have Freeview television. But this bathtub, I tell you, is massive. I was not expecting this when I came in. So you've got that massive bathtub there. And then, of course, you've got your toilet and your sink and also some shampoos and bits like that. The room itself, it's not the largest room. It is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's just in terms when I say it's not large, there's not heaps and heaps I can show you in this room. That you're really going to be like, oh yeah, that's, you know, completely different to other rooms you've seen. It's just this itself is actually a very good kind of base for Alton Towers. So of course you've got your drawers either side, 3 drawers in each, which is good for storage. Other than that, I will say there is not much storage in the main room. However, when you first come in, you will notice there is a little corridor. So that's our front door there. And you can open up this. Maybe not that side, because that's where the boiler is. And you've got a little wardrobe just there, which is fab and really useful. You've also got a suitcase holder tucked up in that little corner there as well. One thing I did note, these little curtains don't have like little pulleys on the ends. So if you want to undo them, you kind of have to, and I'm very short, I'm 5'3", so you have to kind of really reach up to get those. And that's the one thing I did notice. So just to note as well, included in your stay here at the Dog and Partridge, you get a continental breakfast. Absolutely delicious. I enjoyed it so much. With unlimited toast, so I had so much toast this morning. Absolutely delicious. And there is an option to add on like a full English or any hot breakfast. That's around £6 as well, and it all looks really good. Unfortunately today we are in a bit of a rush because we're heading somewhere else after this, so we didn't get breakfast, but it looks amazing and we can't wait to stay again. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the room tour. Any questions about the hotel, I'll pop a link in the description. You can book this hotel through the Alton Towers site. It will be, once you go past their hotels, it will be the one under, as it's an affiliate hotel of Alton Towers. So any questions or anything like that, please just let me know and I shall see you guys soon.